Welcome back to yet another topic that is very important in our life. I believe so. That is how to become consistent in whatever you are doing. As I have mentioned in my last shot, that whoever is doing whatever you are doing in your personal life, in your business life, the consistency is the most important thing. And the problem with all of us, I believe all of us, we feel the most problematic thing is being consistent. Because what happened, everyone has a goal in their life. We all set, like most of us, if you know the goal setting process, if you know that how you can become successful by setting your goal, then you must have set a goal. But the problem is, after you set goal till you achieve it, the path is very difficult. We all know that. So in today's discussion, I am going to discuss with you 7-step process how you can become more consistent in whatever you want to do in your life, whatever goal you have set for yourself. In achieving that, how can you become so successful? So welcome to my channel with Sudeshna. Hope you are liking my videos. Please subscribe if you have already not subscribed it. And let's jump into my mind map. So from my mind map, you can see that the first thing I have mentioned is, are you clear about the why part? Because we all know that whenever we set a goal, most of us, we are clear about why we are setting the goal. Sometimes that why part is not clear to us. So that is when it become more problematic. Because we set a goal and we don't know why we want to achieve that. And if that happens to you, then most probably after some time you will not be you will not be able to consistent. So just ask yourself that if this is important to you, why? And if you are clear about your why, I'm sure that even if you are not consistent for some days, you again will revert, like you again will go back and you will try your level best to complete it. So that is the first thing. Second thing is, the second point is, don't change your goal. If required, change the path to achieve it. So sometimes it may happen that we set a goal and then after doing some process, after applying some effort, we feel that goal, the way we are proceeding is not sufficient to maybe to achieve the goal. And most of us, we do that, we change our goal. So don't do that. So that's the problem we all that we should not do. So what we should do instead, that fix the goal but change the path. So to achieve your goal, the path can be anything. Some may be shortest, some may be longest. Even if it is the longest path, but you will reach that. So that's the beauty of this thing. So if possible, change the path, don't change the goal. So if you want to achieve the same goal, but somehow you see that you are not able to achieve that, then don't change the goal, change the path. That was my second point. My third point is, make it as a habit, part of your routine. So in one of my earlier video also, I mentioned that being consistent would be very difficult until you make it a habit. And making it a habit is I'm sure that it's not an easy job. But if you try to make it a habit, I think that is the easiest way to being consistent. So just try that if you can make it a habit. Like just for an example, if you want to achieve some weight loss goal, or if you want to improve some part of your business, so just whatever, like for your business, if you want to change something, do what change you want to for achieving that change, whatever you need to do. If you can do every day little small part of it, I think it will be easy for you to be consistent. The fourth point is, we all know that point, but still we actually what I can say, we all know that these are very very important thing for our life, for our health, but still somehow whenever there is time constraint, there is some work pressure, we tend to actually ignore those things, I would say. So don't ignore your good sleep, whatever 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours of sleep you need, because that sleep hour is perfectly dependent on you. So whatever hours of sleep, good sleep, amount of sleep you need, do that. Stay healthy, eat healthy food, balanced diet, homemade, home cooked food, and part of like 30 minutes of exercise in your routine. That's all. Like this is not a very new thing, but still we all actually ignore those things. So these are very important, because if this is not, you are not doing these things, then all our life you will feel tired, you will feel irritated to do something, to take some positive changes in your life. So these are very important thing in your life. The next point is focus. So that is also equally important. I'm like, all the points I have noted down from various from my research, but these are not like these are not on priority basis. So these are like just 7 point that is equally important. So focus is also very important point, guys. What I found is, like, most of us, including me, I sometimes I want to do everything at a time. And then if you want to do everything at a time, ultimately you will not able to do anything. So focus at one thing, at the most 2 things for your goal, and once you achieve that, you can set another goal for yourself. So focus on one thing is very, very important for your time management, for your to stop your procrastination. So whatever, these are all actually linked items. So if you focus on one thing, you will be actually more what I would say more I mean, you will know that what you need to do, and the procrastination also will be very less if you focus on one thing. And the next point is self-doubt and little voice. So we all know that whenever you want to change yourself in some positive way, that our brain is a very critical thing. I mean, every positive thing you want to do, our brain will tell you 10 ways not to do that, don't take those steps. Maybe that is what our brain wants to say us. But if you are very, very what I would say, like, you have to tell your brain that stop those things, I want to do that and I will do that. So that is the thing. So just tell your little voice that stop that, I want to do that and I will do that. That's what I do. I mean, many times I feel self-doubt that whatever I am doing, is it okay? Am I good enough to do that? So all those self-doubt will come, whatever you will do, whatever good thing you want to do in your life. So that is when you have to tell yourself that I want to do that and I will do that. I will see whatever happens to it later on, but let me do it. And the last but not the least point is goal setting. That is one of the most important thing, though I have kept it in number 8, but it's very, very important thing. To become consistent, you have to set a goal with a date. So suppose you want to complete something by some date, mention it, write it down. I am telling again and again, and not only me, all those people, all those great leaders, all those, if you study all those multi-billionaire people, they all set goals, and that's why they become very consistent, because they know where they want to go, and then now how part they and that is why they are consistent on the how part. So setting the goal, but at the same time take a shorter goal for your everyday. Because if you set a very long goal with a very short span of time, after some time then you may feel that okay, you will not be able to achieve it. So take a shorter goal for every day, or maybe for every week. Then you will feel that okay, you have achieved that part, then again you set a next goal for you. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys. I think this video made a good impact, some value addition in your life. Please mention in the comment. And if you like it, please like the video and stay healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.